The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago. It consists of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and planet 9. The Sun. The Sun is a star. It is a giant spinning ball of very hot gas. The Sun is the largest object and contains 98% of the total solar system mass. The Sun is made up of hydrogen 74% and helium 24%, oxygen 1%, and rest all 1%. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It is mostly made up of iron and nickel. It is also the densest planet in the solar system. It has a diameter of 3029 miles and orbits around the Sun in 88 days. Venus. The atmosphere of Venus is made up of clouds. It has various gases including carbon dioxide, which traps the heat and transforms the planet into a raging storm of heat. Venus is the brightest planet in our sky. Venus was named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, and it is also the most hottest planet in our solar system. The third inner planet is Earth. The atmosphere on the Earth protects the planet from dangerous radiation and helps retain valuable sunlight. This in turn helps life to exist. The Earth has a diameter of 7,926 miles and orbits around the Sun in 365 days. The Earth completes rotation on its axis in 1 day, 23 hours and 56 minutes. The Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite, which orbits around the Sun. It is the only astronomical body other than Earth ever visited by human. The Moon is the brightest object in the night sky, but gives off no lights of its own. The Moon is formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Mars is named after the Roman god of war and has small two moons called Phobos and Deimos. It is the last inner planet, also known as a red planet due to the rust of iron-rich materials that form of its surface. Olympus Mons in Mars is a dormant volcano is bigger than 3 times of Everest. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and fifth from the Sun. It has a mass of more than 300 times that of Earth and has 63 moons. Having been named after the Roman chief god, Jupiter is one of the brightest objects in the sky. Saturn is unique in appearance because of its large rings. It was named after the Roman god of farming. Although all the other planets have rings, Saturn's are the most visible. Its rings stretch out into space for thousands of kilometers. It takes 30 Earth years for Saturn to orbit around the Sun. Uranus is the smallest of the outer planets and was the first planet to be discovered by a telescope only 2 centuries ago. It is only planet to rotate on its side. Uranus takes 84 Earth years to orbit around the Sun. This means that each of its poles is in daylight for 42 years and in darkness for the next 42. Neptune is the second last outer planet in the solar system. It is named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune has the most violent weather in our solar system, and the winds reach a speed of more than 1,200 miles per hour. Planet 9 is a hypothetical planet in the outer region of the solar system. It was discovered by Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin. This hypothetical super-Earth-sized planet would have predicted the mass of 5 to 10 times that of Earth, elongated orbit 400 to 800 times as far as the Sun from the Sun.